What's up guys, it's your trainer Katie. Today I'm going to take you through a glutes and shoulders workout. All you need is 2 dumbbells and some space, so you can do this at home. If you don't have dumbbells, grab something heavy, you can work with that too. Today's workout is only 6 exercises. We're going to do a rep range of 15 reps, then 10 reps, then 5 reps with each exercise. There is 2 circuits that you're gonna repeat twice, but don't worry about the details, I'll walk you through it. Before we get started guys, if you haven't downloaded my free bikini challenge, go ahead and grab it, it's in the description box for you. Let's start our workout. So this first circuit has 3 exercises: squat to press, a renegade row, and then a lunge to press. So we're gonna do the squat to press for 15 reps, then straight into the renegade row for 10 reps, and then straight into the lunge and press for 5 reps. Okay guys, 30 seconds till we begin with our squat to press. So the way you're gonna do this is grab your 2 dumbbells. You're gonna hold them in front of your body. Now make sure you hold them away from your body. Don't let the weight rest on your chest. You want the weight to be in front of you. You're gonna squat down to parallel, and then as you stand up, you're gonna press the dumbbells over your head, bring them back down, and go down for your second rep. We start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 15 reps, squat to press. Now remember, the squat and a press is 1 rep, so you have to do 1 of each for 15 times. Here we go. Now we have a 20-second rest period while we prep for our second exercise, the renegade row. You're gonna get into a high plank position with your dumbbells directly under your shoulders. You want your spine to be neutral, so make sure you tuck your belly button into your lower spine. This is gonna make sure your spine is neutral. You're gonna row 1 time with your right, 1 time with your left, and then do a push-up, and that equals 1 rep. We have 10 reps total. Let's do this. When you are doing the renegade row, you want to try to keep your body as still as possible. It might take a little bit of balance work, but it is such a good workout for your entire body. So 1 rep equals left, right, push up. 10 reps total. We are almost done, and then a 20-second rest period. Amazing work. We're on to our third exercise that we're only going to do 5 times, the lunge to press. You're going to hold your dumbbell in one hand, and your opposite leg is going to be the leg that you keep on the ground. So you're going to lunge back with one leg, pressing with your dumbbell over your head. You want to do 5 reps on each side. So let's start with the left hand holding the dumbbell. The right leg is going back. We're going to do 5 reps total, and then we're going to switch to the other side for 5 reps. Amazing work, you guys. We made it through the first round of our first circuit. The next circuit we're gonna do in 60 seconds starts with an RDL to an upright row. Then it goes to burpees with a push-up, and then it goes to a 3-part flow exercise where we're gonna do front raises, lateral raises, and a squat. We're gonna do the same rep ranges as before with 15 reps, then 10 reps, and then 5 reps. Starting with the RDL to upright row. So for this, you're gonna hold the dumbbells in front of you. You're gonna hinge at your hips with your hips going backwards towards the wall behind you. You're gonna keep a slight bend in your knee. Do not lock out your legs. As you come up, you're gonna let the weight continue up, and you're gonna go straight into an upright row. For the upright row, you're gonna just pull your dumbbells to your chin with your elbows going out to the side. You want to make sure with the upright row that you are pointing your elbows to the side of the room and that you're not hurting your shoulders. So the way that you can make sure to do this is to hold the dumbbells close together. You can even let them touch, and you're going to pull up to your chin, only going to the point that feels comfortable for your shoulder. When you're done with the row, you're going to let the weight fall back into your RDL and let it flow, baby. We only have a few more left. You're going to do 15 reps of this one total. That one was a burner, so enjoy this 20 seconds of rest. Next up, we have burpees with a push-up. I know you can do this, you guys. If you've never done burpees before, you're gonna get into a high plank, do a push-up, jump up with your knees into a jump, and then back down. I'm not the best at this, but it should be very easy for you to just flow through this. But if you struggle, I'm gonna struggle right along with you. We only have 10. So if you have trouble doing a push-up, you can drop to your knees for the push-up part. But I want you to explode on the jump and jump as high as you can. And you want to be looking forward on the jump. I'm looking down and I'm doing it incorrectly. This is going to make sure that you jump the highest possible and get the most calories burned for your workout. Okay guys, let that heart rate come back down during this 20 seconds of rest. As I explain the next exercise, you're gonna do 3-part flow. So basically you're gonna alternate front raises with each arm, then a lateral raise with each arm, then bring your dumbbells in front of you for 1 squat. That whole thing equals 1 rep. You're gonna do this 5 times. So right front, right side, left side, squat. That is 1 rep. Do 5 total. Here we go. We're almost done with this. Amazing work. We are halfway done with today's workout. We're going to repeat everything we just did a second time. So you have 1 minute to rest here before we go straight back into our squat to press for 15 reps. I hope you're proud of yourself. Grab some water, do a little bit of stretching, and let's crush the rest of this workout together. Comment below if your shoulders and booty are going to be on fire tomorrow, because I know mine are. I am going to be so sore from this. right, time for the Renegade row. Try to keep up with my pace. I know that you can do it, you guys. We have 10 reps of this, and then we're on to our last exercise in this circuit, and then we have a really nice 60-second rest period. Amazing work. We are almost done. We are on to our second circuit, our second round. Push it here. I know that you're tired. I know you're going to be sore, but you'll be so proud of yourself when you crush the rest of this workout. We're going to go into our RDLs to upright rows. So for the rest of this workout, I really want you to dig deep and try to do better than you did the first time. I know that burpees are one of the hardest exercises in this workout, so I am going to challenge you to try to do the burpees better than you did before. So if you had to drop to your knees to do the push-up, I challenge you, try to do it without dropping to your knees. And if you went slow, try to go a little bit faster. part is over. We can see the finish line now. On to our last exercise, the 3-part flow. Let that heart rate come back down. We're gonna power through these last 5 reps and then you are done. Here we go. I am exhausted. Great work today, you guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next workout.